Are you ready to grow your own sprouts at home? Well, I am so thrilled to show you Gardenary's Super Sprouting Package. So this is an all-in-one system that allows you to grow your own sprouts at home that comes complete with video instruction and my favorite seeds to sprout. So here is how the system works. So first off, you've got your non-draining tray right at the bottom. This is where you're going to soak your seeds overnight before you start to strain and drain them. So this is at the bottom of the system every single day. On the second day, you're going to strain your seeds using this mesh right here and then place it right on top so it can drip dry throughout the day. You can start a next set of seeds using this non-draining tray during that same period so that you're growing two types of sprouts at once. So while it drains on this tray, then you're going to have the other one soaking overnight, and then finally by day 3, you're going to have two sets of seeds that are sprouting and draining in each of these trays, and then you'll let everything drip dry to the base. As soon as you start to harvest from one set of your seeds, you can begin the process all over again. This is the top. I love to keep this on at night. I'll put it on during the last sprouting rinse right before bedtime. Let it stay there all throughout the nighttime, and then in the day, when I wake up and do my rinse, then I'll pull the top off, especially once the sprouts have gotten to this level so that they can green up a little bit just with ambient light. So let me show you a few of the seeds I've been sprouting. For this one, I pulled together two systems to grow loads of sprouts in this one tower. So here on top, we have our alfalfa seed sprouting, and this is about 4 days after the first soak. So this shows you how they grow. I used to pull these out of the bottom of the strainer, and I've learned over time that it actually works best to just leave them just like this until they green up on top. Then they'll be ready to harvest, and I just literally pick them out in little handfuls. So this is the first tray we've got. This one's about 4 days old. Next up, we have our broccoli seeds. So these broccoli seeds are well on their way to sprouting. This is day 3 of their sprouting process. I soaked them overnight, rinsed them out, and then they are slowly starting to each produce sprouts and looking pretty promising. Next up, we've got our radish sprouts, and you can see how these have already produced some really nice roots for us. They're starting to slowly shed their seed coat and looking awesome as well. These are also on day number 3. And then finally, we have our kale seeds, and these are starting to sprout just like the broccoli. You can see the underneath is really starting to take off. All those roots are starting to show. And again, this is day 3. So I'm growing 4 types of sprouts. With this, I can make any kind of salad or sandwich. I can use these as a topping on any kind of omelet or breakfast sandwich, breakfast dish, and they're especially delicious on top of soups. I also love tossing them in smoothies and juices to add a big dose of nutrition and freshness. So this is the Gardenary Sprouting System, and we have been working for months to get these in a way that we can ship them right to your doorstep. Now, when you get the system, you don't just get this, you also get our complete video instruction on how to grow sprouts. Plus, you will get our favorite Gardenary seeds so that you can grow all these types of sprouts inside your Gardenary sprouter. So if you are ready to start growing sprouts, if you're ready to start having a little bit of nutritious, delicious food that you grow yourself, and you just want it to take up a little spot on your kitchen counter, then the Gardenary Sprouter is a fit for you. This will ship right to your doorstep, complete with seeds and ready to grow. All you gotta do is open it up, rinse off those seeds, and start growing your own delicious and super healthy food. You can find out how to get your sprouter and if we've still got them in stock right below this video, or head to gardenary.com and head to our shop to look inside for our sprouting system. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you and your sprouts next time.